Speaking Academy. Let's have a speaking practice using like and dislike. Troy has good health. Troy has good health. I read a newspaper. I read a newspaper. Rhea is a beautiful girl. Rhea is a beautiful girl. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Jean has a pen. Jean has a pen. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I have to eat. I have to eat. It was a tasteful cookies. It was a tasteful cookies. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I like my shirt. I like my shirt. I love my friends. I love my friends. I am feeling happy. I am feeling happy. It is very cold today. It is very cold today. I have a new toy. I have a new toy. Bring a glass of juice. Bring a glass of juice. Donnie is an intelligent boy. Donnie is an intelligent boy. My dog is big. My dog is big. The flower is pink. The flower is pink. I see a car. I see a car.